Hello my friend, welcome to Docinnet channel. Follow today's video. Today's video is about managing containers effectively with Kubernetes. Okay, let's go. We learned in detail about containers with Docker, about the construction of a Docker image and about the instantiation of a new container on the local machine. All this works well and does not pose too many problems when working with a few containers. But in so-called microservice application, that is, applications that are composed of several services, each of them is a container. We will need to manage and orchestrate these containers. There are two major container orchestration tools on the market, Docker Swarm and Kubernetes. For some time now, Kubernetes, also known as K8s, has proven to be a true leader in the field of container management and is therefore becoming a must for the containerization of applications. Installing Kubernetes. Before installing Kubernetes, we need to have an overview of its architecture and the main components. Because Kubernetes is not a simple tool but is a cluster. That is, it consists of a master server and other slave servers called nodes. Kubernetes is a platform that is made of several components that assemble together and extend on demand in order to enable better scalability of applications. The architecture of Kubernetes, which is a client-server type, can be represented simply as shown in the following diagram. In the previous diagram, we can see that the cluster is made up of a master component and nodes, also called worker nodes, which represent the slave servers. In each of these nodes, there are pods, which are virtual elements that will contain containers and volumes. We can create one pod per application, and it will contain all the containers of the application. For example, one pod can contain a web server container, a database container, and a volume that will contain persistent files for images and database files. And finally, kube control is the client tool that allows us to interact with a Kubernetes cluster. With this, we have the main requirements that allow us to work with Kubernetes. Okay, today's video is finished here. Please send our videos to your friends and be sure to like and subscribe.